Hello everyone, today I will show you how to increase or decrease line spacing in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and click on this home option, and here you will find this edit option. Click here. Now click on this text box and drag your mouse cursor, select whole text box or a specific line. Now click on this format option. This format option now already open, and select this line options, custom line, and here you can select expanded and see this. Also you can select condensed and this extra concept is also you can select extra expanded, see this, and also you can make it normal line spacing. This is in this way you can increase or decrease a text box's text line spacing. This is, yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.